Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Python virtual environments with venv on VPS step by step clearly. To activate Python virtual environments with venv on a VPS, start by accessing your server via SSH. Use a terminal application to connect to your VPS. Once logged in, ensure that Python is installed. You can check this by typing Python 3 version or Python version. If Python is not installed, install it using your package manager. For Ubuntu, you can use the command sudo apt update and in sudo apt install Python 3 venv. Next, navigate to the directory where you want to create your virtual environment. Use the cd command followed by the path to your desired directory. Once in the correct directory, create a virtual environment with the command python 3 venv. Replace venv with your preferred name for the virtual environment. After the environment is created, you need to activate it. For a bash shell, use the command source -bin/activate. If you are using a different shell, the activation command may vary. For example, in a fish shell, use source -bin/activate.fish. In a C shell, the command would be source -bin/activate.csh. Once activated, your terminal prompt should change, indicating that you are now working inside the virtual environment. You can now install packages and run your Python applications within this isolated environment. To deactivate the virtual environment, simply use the command deactivate. This will return you to the global Python environment. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your Python projects on a VPS using virtual environments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.